My name is Jesse and I'm the Microsoft Device Specialist here at Data3. Today I have got the new Surface Go, the newest addition to the Surface family. And today we're actually going to do the first unboxing here in Brisbane at Data3 office. So here we go. So we're going to just clear off this clear wrapping here, this shrink wrap. Ooh, very exciting stuff here happening. I'm the first person in the office to have this. Very excited. So it's got a Intel Gold processor, Pentium Gold processor 4415Y. This particular model is the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. So let's have a look. Let's open this baby up. Oh, look at that. Look how nice that looks, huh? Okay. Oh, so light. Only 522 grams light. How amazing is that? Power of a laptop in a tablet size, sporting a 10-inch screen, 1800 by 1200 resolution. It's got a lovely 3x2 pixel sense display in there. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. Oh. Now it also has the design elements same as the Surface Pro. So it has the kickstand, which can go up to that 165-degree angle. Oh, I'm loving this design. I feel fanless design, so there's no moving parts in here. Has a micro SD card, USB-C, headphone jack, and the Surface Connect charger. And here I have the Surface Go type cover. So I'm gonna plug that in. Oh, look at that. Very small, but very nice and neat. That trackpad actually looks higher than a Surface Pro. Oh, very nice. You feel like nice premium keyboard touching. Let's turn this bad boy on. Oh, look at that. It's loading up now. And of course, we also have the Surface Pen. Open that up. So Surface Pen on the Surface Go will have 4,096 pressure levels also, and also just magnetically clicks there. And you can see it's very strong. I'm just pulling as hard as I can, and you can see it's sticking very strongly on there. So you can put this in, have it in tablet mode. So I can go like this in tablet. I can do it in laptop mode, so I can have it like that and click in. And then I can have it in studio mode, which can have it all the way down like that. So everyone, as you can see, Microsoft Surface Go has a perfect balance of portability and power at your fingertips. If you'd like a demonstration, please get in touch with your account representatives at Data3 and we'll happily organize one for you.